Welcome back, everyone. I am Brandon Morey, and this is Make It Yourself. And this week we're going to be talking about waffles. The waffles we make here at Crepe CME are Darkside Waffles. They're delicious. Let's get started. So to start, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, 1 3/4 cups of milk, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, and 2/3 cup of melted butter. Now go ahead and put your flour right on in the bowl there, and grab your baking powder and grab the sugar. Dump that in there. Basically dump all of your dry ingredients in first. Then you can start cracking some eggs. Put your 3 eggs in there and your wet ingredients in there. What you're going to want to do is give all of that a good stir. Once you're done cracking your eggs and putting your milk in and putting all that other junk in there too. Start mixing all that together. Now we're going to speed this up because watching people mix stuff is boring, and if you do enjoy it, hey, hats off to you. Now it's time to put the butter in and dump that stuff in there and then mix some more. Now I should be honest with you, this is actually me in real time. I'm just really fast at mixing. I'm only kidding, you silly goose. But now it's time to make these Darkside Waffles.
Hey, you dingus! Don't be giving away our trade secrets!
Okay, apparently I'm not allowed to tell you what makes them Darkside, but I'm sure you can find a black food coloring somewhere, although we don't use black food coloring. Once you've mixed that to a nice smooth consistency, go ahead and set that off to the side and let it cool down for a little bit so the butter hardens. Now you're ready for
bonus recipe.
What we're making here is whipped topping. So you're going to need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of simple syrup, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and strong forearms. Now go ahead and put your heavy cream in there, followed by the 2 syrups, and finally your vanilla. And give all of that a hefty good stir. Now we're going to speed this up because this took forever for me to do, and my arms are still sore from doing it. Now I'm going to be honest with you. I took this down to my mixer and mixed it on high because I really didn't want to sit here and mix it all. When that's done, set that off to the side. You're ready for strawberries. No! Whoops. You better put those sound effects on mute. Otherwise, this will turn into a horror film. Anyway, go ahead and cut as many strawberries as you see fit. Now it's time to put your freshly made waffle batter in the waffle iron. Now we like to put it on medium to high heat and keep it in there for about 4 minutes. This gives that butter really crispy on the outside, but it keeps it soft on the inside. Once that's done, go ahead and pull that out. You've made your waffle. Love that B-roll. Well, 2 things, everyone. A, we make some pretty good coffee here. B, that was Nutella. that I used for the chocolate sauce, not ganache. I'll probably explain in a different tutorial how we make our ganache here. But yeah, that was fun. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Making waffles is pretty easy. You do need a waffle maker, unfortunately, but it's kind of one of those things that I figured you guys knew. But yeah, super good. The cool thing about those waffles is they've got a good, crispy, crunchy texture, but they're soft in the middle. They just bake so perfectly. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, leave any questions or comments down below. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Katie.
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep.
Want a waffle?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you look tired. You want a waffle?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hold on to them feelings.
Hey, that shower looks relaxing. You want a waffle?
Yes. I asked him to do them, but nope, he's too busy. Sitting on the bed, looking at his phone.
Hey, those dishes look pretty tough. You want a waffle?
Oh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have told you a million times to stop jumping up and down on the couch. It's not funny. I told you to stop.
Hey, you look angry. You want a waffle?
I do. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, Brandon. What are these Amazon charges I'm seeing on here for $150?
Hey, you look perplexed.
Mm-hmm.
How about a waffle?
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I waited for 7 years. Now it's too late. 7 years?
You look sad. Want a waffle?